Hi, and this is Tempest Tony in my next video. And today we're going to talk about, well, the train show in Hingham has been canceled due to the COVID-19 this year, so there'll be no train show in this October. But I got something from Bill's Friendly Train Shop instead. So I'm going to be going to one train store a month until the COVID-19 ends, and I'm going to show you. I went to Bill's Friendly Train Shop instead. So, I got 3 items. First one is a truck with 2 trailers, a Swift, and this is removable. It comes off. There it is. And second one, the water tanker. And as I'm saying that, I already took some pictures from Bill's Friendly Train Shop. And it's in Rockland, Massachusetts. It's near Abington. So, this is my second tanker I got. Isn't it good? Do you like it? Yeah. So, I'm guessing there's no train show in Hingham this October. I think there should be one, the next one in March. So, I'll be there in March, as long as the COVID-19 is over. And last but not least, the newest engine I got between Henry and James. This is Gordon. And those are my first items I ordered from Bill's Friendly Train Shop. He's tender. I already gave him a run. Okay, let's put it in. Okay, and that's it. And this is my first order from Bill's Friendly Train Shop. I got Gordon, the water tanker, and the truck with 2 trailers. And that's the end of the video. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos. And I'll see you on the next video.